match. We have a thrilling game ahead of us, so stay tuned for all the action. Team winning the toss has opted to bat first. The opening batters are heading out. Here comes the
Good luck.
Walking out to the crease. They'll be looking to lay a solid foundation for their team.
Good luck.
The right-hander on strike. What a shot, gets to the pitch of the ball. Good extension of the bat. Uses his long levers. He's made that look effortless. The replay shows just how perfectly he connected with the ball. Under pressure, the bowler. Need to make things happen. That looks like a really good shot, and yes it is. This is maximum impact. His timing and power make it look so easy, but that's a tough shot to execute. Well, that's very, very good batting indeed. Let's put the bowler under pressure. Magnificent straight right. Right back past the bowler for a glorious boundary. Oh, just look at that timing. He's found the middle of the bat and it races away to the boundary. That's a monster hit! Miles over the ropes! It's not just power, it's the placement too. He picked the perfect area and cleared it with ease. The batter seems to be in a hurry here. Oh, that's a wide delivery. A lot of movement off the surface. It's been a very, very entertaining over so far. That's gone miles high. Handsome and into the crowd. Now the replay shows how quickly he picked the length. He rocked back and launched it into the stands. It's been a very, very entertaining over so far.
Game on.
That's a wide. What a shot, gets to the pitch of the ball. Good extension of the bat. Uses his long levers. Oh, that's as clean a strike as you'll ever see. Right off the middle of the bat, and it's gone all the way. It's going to be the seamer now. Left-hander on the strike. That's good batting. That's sensible batting. It's making the bowler think. What is he planning to do now, the batter? Oh, what a ball. The stumps are in ruin.
Wow. Great ball.
The bowler's not holding back. What a lively celebration. Oh, that's good bowling. He hasn't followed the batter. And they lose a wicket. An important one. It's the left-hander on strike. The bowler is ecstatic after that dismissal. He's focused and ready for the next challenge. Yes. Nice running there. 2 added to the total. Oh, that's gone! He's castled! That's the wicket he was looking for! That's poor judgment! Oh, that's good bowling. He hasn't followed the batter. Another wicket falls. Back in the game now. The right-hander on strike. Back in the game now, the fielding side, with that wicket. Change of angle coming back to over the wicket. That's out of here. Got every bit of it. This is maximum impact. His timing and power make it look so easy, but that's a tough shot to execute. Can he put the bowler under more pressure and the fielding team? Bowled in. All ends up. The bowler's not holding back. What a lively celebration. Oh, that's good bowling. He hasn't followed the batter. The batter heads back, disappointed after that dismissal. The right-hander on strike. Back in the game now, the fielding side, with that wicket. A classic cover drive. Finds the gap perfectly and adds 4 to the tally. It's been a good over. It looks so effortless on the replay. Barely any follow through, but the ball just flies to the ropes.
Game on.
The openers need to get off a flying start.
Good luck.
They have to chase down this enormous total. It's going to be
Good
tough.
luck. Game on.
That's gone miles high. Handsome and into the crowd. He's made that look effortless. The replay shows just how perfectly he connected with the ball. Back for 3. Nice running between the wickets. And the right-hander on strike. Another dot ball. It's making the bowler think. What is he planning to do now, the batter? That should be close. That's a very close shout. It seems they're not convinced enough to go upstairs. Another dot ball. It's making the bowler think. What is he planning to do now, the batter? The batsman will look to score big in this final over. It's going to be the seamer now. Oh, that's a run out. That's poor running between the wicket. But straight to the fielder, no run there. That's absolutely poor running. It's the left-hander on strike. Oh, he's dismissed that. The bowler won't believe it. 6 more. Oh, that's pure power. The replay shows how he absolutely middled it, sending it miles into the stands. Oh, he dropped it. You can see the disbelief all around. So
Oops.
close to a crucial wicket. And they get back for 2. Great running between the wickets. He's coming round the wicket. Safe as the houses, takes it cleanly. The bowler's putting on a show with that celebration. Talk about making a statement. That's the end of his stay at the crease. He's heading back. The right-hander on strike. It's a good shot, but straight to the fielder. And that's it. It's all over. The batting team couldn't get a shot away. Another wicket falls. Back in the game now.